This is our blend-in cup machine. It's a 26-inch platform. At the heart of it is the refrigerated base. You'll see here that it holds 8 different flavors. You have the ability to mix and match up to 3 different flavors in addition to water and ice to create over 550 different style drinks. So even though you have only 8 bins here, you really have the flexibility to do a lot more than that. At the heart of the system is the 2-gallon bag. It has a special fitment on the end, which is similar to what you'd find on your ketchup bottle at home. You have a nozzle in the base, and this just positively latches in here. So if you do it any harder than that, then you've done something wrong, because it really is that easy without any sort of tools or anything. On the top of the machine, you have an onboard ice machine. You have 4 cup dispensers. You have 2 mixing chambers and 1 dispenser. We're going to be making a coffee frappe. We have these cups already set up in our recipe software, so it allows you to label the cup size as well as what type it is. So that we'll pick medium here under the dispenser. Automatically dispenses the right amount of ice in addition to the coffee, cream, and water, which we've designated for this recipe. So then it shows you that you can either start either mixer. We're going to choose this one over here. You put it in, shut the lid, press the button, and it automatically starts to blend. So at this point, the blade goes all the way down to the bottom, will dwell for a certain number of seconds, it will move up to the middle and dwell for a certain number of seconds, and then it has the ability to repeat up to 10 times. So you can really create a unique drink. So if you like a more icy texture, you can shorten the blend times, or if you want a more smooth texture, you can extend the blend times. So after about 45 seconds, you have a coffee frappe. The nice thing after this is that it automatically rinses the chamber. So you help to reduce any cross-contamination. It doesn't contain sanitizer, but it does have a rinse station to it. In terms of inventory, this has an onboard inventory system. It automatically counts down to let you know how much product you've used. So when it gets down to a low level, it will turn yellow, and then when it's to a critical level, it turns red. This ties back to the menu screen on the front page, and then also it counts down the number of days that you have left on a product before it expires. So if you go back here and you look, you can see that the raspberry, mixed berry, and raspberry banana are all flavors that you're going to have to keep an eye on, because those are about ready to end, or low on product. Also, from a cleaning standpoint, there are 2 different types of clean that you have to do. The one type is the daily clean, and that contains everything up in this area. You have to wash, rinse, and sanitize every single day. The second one is a weekly clean. This one's a little bit more intensive. You have to actually remove the bins, and then you have this cleaning bucket over here. You have a wash, rinse, and sanitize bucket, and then this hose that attaches to the nozzles down below, and you would pump product through. The nice thing about it is the weekly clean has a lockout function, so if you don't perform it every 7 days, it's going to lock you out and not allow you to make a drink. One of the other nice things that we did with the Menu Connect software is we've identified all the supplies an operator would need in order to perform the daily clean function. Also, we show them pictures of how they're going to perform the daily clean function. The 2 mixers are just there so that you can keep up with capacity. So this is more for a high volume location, so that you can use each one of the mixers at the same time. So you can actually be blending 2 drinks. There is a single version available as well. What we did is we've just taken out one of the mixing chambers to allow for a lid and straw dispenser.